Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Realboxing 2 account. If you want to get rid of your Realboxing 2 account by deleting it, then first, open your Realboxing 2 application on your device. Once you're inside this page, tap on the gear button at the top left-hand corner. Now, tap on Reset Profile from the option. Tap on the tick mark shown in the display to delete your account. Remember that you'll also lose all of your game progress if you continue deleting your account. Once you tap on the tick, you'll be able to see this interface where you'll need to confirm the account deletion by tapping on the green tick mark one more time. Now close the game from your background to apply the change. And that's how you can easily delete Realboxing 2 accounts using the Realboxing 2 application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.